Be it swimming, spinning, running, yoga, mountain biking, or circuit training, the stunning Fitbit Ionic has it all. So is said by Fitbit. So let's see how is it. The box inside the outer cover has a matte finish and a glossy Fitbit logo in the center. The watch comes in 3 colors: blue-gray, slate blue, and charcoal. On opening the box, first up we see the watch in the front. So I'll remove that. And you can see the watch looks pretty. Now let's keep that aside, and next up in this folder there are some paperwork and some pictures right here, and this may be the manual and the warranty card inside it. Then on opening this segment there is some extra pair of wristbands given, which is nice of them, and there is the charging cable. Inside the box there are 2 sizes of wristbands given. One that was the extra one is the smaller and the bigger one attached to the watch. Now changing these bands is a piece of cake. Just press this button and the band will come off. Then take the other band and press it inside the watch, and it will fit easily. The charger given in the box seems to be of good quality and sticks to the watch with magnets. It is quite snappy and sticks perfectly. The body of the watch is made of aluminium and feels very light in hands. It has a funky looking sharp square shape which from person to person may be very good or very bad. The screen on this watch is 1.4 inches and has a screen resolution of 348 by 250 pixels. It is made of Gorilla Glass 3 and has a Fitbit mark on the bottom. The wristband on the watch is made of rubber and has this cool texture on them. The watch has a power on-off button on the left side and the 2 other buttons on the right. Just like the band, even these have textures on them. On the back of the watch lies the heart rate sensor and the charging point. The watch has internal memory of 2.5 GB and a battery life which goes up to 4 days. The watch is waterproof and IP certified, so you can use it while showering as well as swimming. The only thing which I found a bit disappointing about this watch are the bezels. The watch has huge bezels which could be reduced a bit. Lastly, talking about the price of the watch, it is 24,000 rupees in India, which when compared to the previous model Fitbit Blaze seems to be a bit overpriced. And with that said, I think I will end my review here.